Maggie here with day 4 of our 5-day social media challenge. Yesterday we covered on what to post, and today we're diving into where to post. Now remember, not all social media platforms work the same. Each one has different strengths, audiences, and content styles. So today we're going to break down the differences so you can maximize your reach and engagement. When it comes to your business on social media platforms, it's important to ask yourself who your audience is. And so with these different platforms, they work a little bit differently. Facebook and Instagram is great for community and relationships. TikTok is great for short form and engaging videos. Now, YouTube is more of your in depth educational content. LinkedIn, it's great for business networking and creating that authority or credibility if you're looking to build that up. Let's take a look at Facebook and Instagram. It's great because they also have the option to create your Meta Business Suite. If you have your business page, you can take a look at your insights, you can plan out your content, as well as use them both interactively. You can post to both through just one function. You can use your carousels, stories, reels, lives, testimonials on Facebook. You can create a group or join other groups, which is building to that community and relationship. With Instagram, you can use polls, Q&A stickers, even highlights to boost your interaction. There's a lot of potential here with Facebook and Instagram. So TikTok, a lot of popularity here with trends, storytelling, behind the scenes. A short form video is very powerful here. An example is you can do a headline with 3 text write-offs most people miss. Number 2 will surprise you. And so these are the hooks that you can create to build that engagement. You want to hook viewers with 3 seconds with a strong intro and that text overlay and build from there. Now with YouTube, you can build your informational content. Make it 3 to 5 minutes long. You can talk about one topic. An example is how to pay less taxes with 5 legit strategies. You can do a tutorial on more with the FAQs and then explainers, even case studies. Those are great. So what you do is you create that video and then you can actually make short form videos from that video. Essentially what you're doing is creating one video and then creating multiple short form content videos out of that. That helps with content creating so that you're not overwhelmed with doing so much and creating 20 different videos. All you're doing is just creating one. LinkedIn. So this is really great for business networking and creating that credibility. They have a neat option on there that you can create articles so people can take a look at. More recently, LinkedIn is actually starting to take on with the short form videos. You don't really want to use the same content you use with TikTok, which is more of a trend. No, this one you want to be more informational, thoughts on leadership, what's happening in your industry. An example here is self-employed. Here's why you should consider a SEP IRA. Another thing is personal experiences. That builds trust, and then you can ask questions at the end. Now remember, you are not posting every single day on all your platforms. You're going to use your content strategy to go ahead and filter that out and make sure it's even. I probably recommend LinkedIn, you're posting an article once a week, and then you're interacting throughout the week with other people's posts to build that engagement. With YouTube, maybe even just once a week, and then you're expanding on those short form videos and pushing that out. TikTok is one that you do have to be on there daily to push it out. So that's where I recommend that strategy. You create one video and then build out multiple short form content videos out of that one. And that can fill out your entire week out of one video. Facebook and Instagram is great for scheduling. You could even just do picture posts, stories, and just push out the same content that you have with your short form videos. All you're doing with this is just getting your digital real estate built out. You're growing it and you're establishing your presence online so that people will know who you are, what kind of business you run, and you're building that trust and credibility that people are looking for. So today's challenge, you're going to choose one platform and post one short form video, story, or carousel. I will say that even on the short form videos, you don't even have to show your face if you're not confident on camera yet. You can just do a scenic background with some words that are informational. One piece of content that I recently put out was top 10 deductions for real estate agents. And it was just a scenic background of a trip that I took recently, and the words were just popping up. And people enjoy that. Sometimes they don't want to be spoken to all the time, but it does start building up your confidence. And then the next thing, you're going to drop a comment. Which platform are you focusing on today? Which one is the one that stands out to you? Do you have any questions? Go ahead and put it in the comments. Tomorrow, we'll be discussing how to use AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva to create content faster. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next one.